Morning, guys. It's Monday. So I thought I would do a little bit of a working mom daily vlog. I know there are some of us out there, God bless all of those stay-at-home moms who clock all of that time and never receive that actual paycheck. So God love ya. But I am currently a working out of the home mom. It is working better for our family right now. So I thought I would take you guys along, show you a little bit about what my day is like. So first, coffee. I bought the pumpkin spice and I can't really say I'm feeling it. Maybe I'm rushing it. So it seems like none of us are ready for pumpkin spice. Ashton is getting ready to go to work at the ER, and I am just trying to figure out dinner and get it situated for tonight when we get home. So I'm going to have to wash up these little bit of dishes because I need to put this chicken in this sink, and then I will set out all of the other items so they will be ready in case someone gets home before I am, because we have people coming. Is my sad lunch for the day. Lean cuisine, rice cake, some yogurt, maybe some chips and some Pepsi because I am not liking the coffee creamer I picked up, the pumpkin spice latte. It's just too early in the season. So now it's time to get ready. So now it's time to get my lovely self ready. I guess the only decision there is to make today is curly or straight. And I went with curly. So, and it's Monday, so I went with all black. What can I say? I also went coffeeless because I just couldn't do that pumpkin creamer. And so that's gonna make for a really long day. So, and now I have got to get on my way to work because I am pushing my time. So this is what I take to work every single day. This is a 31 bag, and inside I just keep my small wallet. I also take my entire planner. This has a lot of our bills and stuff in it. And then I just have all of my stuff, my IDs for work, my makeup bag. I purchased some lip balm because I need one of these in my car and one in my desk. And then I have my lunch and snacks. And then I take a glass of water. Typically, I will also walk out with my cup of coffee. But as you guys noticed, I don't like the pumpkin spice. So we are going to see if Andrea took the trash out. And he took the trash out. Yes! So I think, just like all moms, our cars are like our moving offices, because inside my car I have bills that need to be paid. I have stuff that needs to go back to Walmart. And I have various other items. So I work 5 days a week, pretty much, give or take a day off here and there, and about 8 hours a day. Here we go. This is a really bad angle. I have my own little work grocery haul. It is absolutely pouring. And I have to go out on there. And there's my little car. You saw that it is absolutely pouring down rain. It is pouring so hard. My pants are soaked. Everything is soaked. I actually have to leave now and run over to my doctor to get an order for blood work because our lab is different than what they use and they will not take the faxed in order. So I look like a drowned rat. I have guests at home. We have dinner to do. And I went to Aldi on my lunch hour, picked up a few things that I need. I look like a hot mess, but I will see you guys in a little bit. All right, here is a lunchtime grocery haul. I picked up, when we ran an Aldi at lunch, I picked up a chuck roast. I picked up a package of chicken thighs. I got some Black Forest ham and some turkey breast. I also picked up this sriracha cheddar, which looked super good, and Swiss cheese to go with the chicken bake I'm making tonight. Was really excited that Aldi had, you guys, I changed the settings on my camera and I'm not liking it. 6, oh gosh, classic hummus singles. I have to figure out the settings. I'm not sure what I did. Some hazelnut creamer. Did not like the pumpkin spice I bought. Some 2% milk. That's my Pepsi from lunch. Some Ritz toasted chips veggie. Some shredded mild cheddar. Some Italian style cheese. A loaf of white bread because I know I have some, but I'm not sure how much. This is actually my yogurt. A box of Twinkies for Mattia. Animal crackers for, you guessed it, the dogs. Some flour tortillas. A package of brown gravy. A thing of cola for the kids. Some chicken broth. And some Santa Fe style tortilla chips for my salad. Tonight for dinner is a chicken and stuffing bake, pickle beets, rice, and green beans, and hopefully Andrea will be able to fix the coloring of my camera. Well, this day in the life kind of ended up being a little bit crazy. We had guests, we had dinner, we cleaned up, and now I'm in here finishing up the kitchen and loading my dishwasher. And I am going to get ready to call it a night. I am sorry this is not as eventful as I would have liked, but I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you, and I will be seeing you soon. Also, I will be linking my friend below. If Mom on a Mission, check her out. She's the one who gave me the idea for the working mom tag. So I will be seeing you guys soon, and I guess that's it. Good night.